And how do you feel as the new editor of Drum?
I'm excited about it. I mean, oh my goodness, how do I say this? I've been waiting for this opportunity for a very long time. I started out as as a journalist at You magazine many years ago, and I got trained as a journalist at You magazine, and Drum was also a brand that was working as You and Drum. So and little did I know that one day I'll be coming on board as the editor of Drum. So I'm excited. I think it's every journalist, the dream of every journalist in South Africa, even those that are studying journalism, at varsities, to one day be, at the helm of Drum magazine. Drum magazine is a historical brand, carries so much history. It has played a huge role in our struggle. And when you talk about entertainment, when you talk about education, when you talk about news and politics, a publication that is a voice of reason in South Africa right now. So I'm excited about it. I think for me, I'm looking forward to build, a brand that people can be very proud when they pick it up.
So tell us about first Drum shoot as the editor.
I'm excited about it. It was so exciting. I wanted everything to be perfect. It's completely different from other brands that I've worked on. This is Drum, a historical brand, a very big brand where the best entertainment is happening. So I wanted everything to be perfect. So they did my hair, and we hired the best makeup artist to make sure that everything is just flawless. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I can't wait to see my first pictures. I can't wait to see my first copy of Drum magazine.
As your readers, what can we expect from Drum under the editorship of Thandi?
Under the editorship of Thandi, of course, you can expect a lot of education. You can expect a lot of entertainment. We're going to be coming with a lot of entertainment stories, a lot of stories on politics, what's happening in the political sphere of South Africa, a lot of stories on what's happening in the news. We're going to be breaking a lot of stories. We're going to be educating women to take charge of their lives. We're going to be educating men to be better husbands, better dads, and better men. We're going to be giving you a lot of information on how to be, and how to better your lives and how to be a good South African citizen. How can you play a role in this big, sphere of our country? So yeah, I think that is what they should expect. Under my editorship, we're going to be enhancing our digital platforms a bit. Some of the stories we're going to be breaking them, that we are not able to break them on our print publication. We're going to be breaking them on our digital platforms. A lot of interaction on our digital platforms, a lot of us on Twitter, Facebook, and on our website. So yeah, I think the readers should expect a lot. It's not going to be something that is going to be happening overnight, but it will definitely and surely happen. We won't do this alone. We need to do this together. So let's do this together, Drum readers.